Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the next tutorial of the SQL, and in this tutorial we will be looking at the SQL order by keyword. Order by keyword is used to sort out the results in the ascending or the descending order. If you want all the displayed record either in the ascending or the descending order, we will make use of the order by keyword, which is basically used to order the records. Okay, so order by keyword is used to sort out the record in always sorts out the record in the ascending order. By default, ascending order is basically the smallest one first, then the bigger one, and bigger one. To sort out the records in the descending order, we make use of the DESC as a keyword. DESC stands for uh, descending. Okay, so either you can make use of the ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. So this is the syntax: select, then you have to specify the names of the columns, from, then name of the table, order by, which columns you want to order. You have to specify the names of those columns, either in the ascending you have to order or descending you have to order. You have to specify that also. This is the demo table which we are using throughout, and over here this is the first example in which we are selecting everything from the customer's table, and we are ordering this table by country, in which the country whose name starts with A will be displayed first. Okay, so we are ordering this with reference to the country. That's why the countries whose name starts with A will be displayed for the first, then B, then C, then D. Okay, so this is how we are making use of the order by. So next is order by country and a descending. Okay, so we are displaying the records in descending, in which first it will start with Z, then the Y, then the X, then the V, then the U. Okay, so this is how we are displaying. If I am applying this condition on the customer ID table, let me just put this condition on the customer ID. It will display the customer IDs in reverse. Okay, 91, 90, 89. Okay, so order by on the several columns. We can also order the multiple columns. Okay, so over here what has been done is we are selecting the customers table and ordering the records based upon the country and the customer name. Okay, let me just execute this: country and the customer name. Okay, so as can be seen, these records are filtered based upon the customer name and country. Okay, so this is the definition. The following SQL statement selects all the customers from the customer table sorted by the country and customer name column. This means that it orders by country, but if some rows have the same country, it orders by the customer name. First it will filter out all the records. Whatever comes first get sort first. Okay, so the first column we are specifying is country, so it will first filter out all the records based upon this first column, which is country from A to Z. And if now this three rows has the same country name, which is Argentina, then it will go for the second option, which is customer name. Then inside of this, so whoever is having the having names alphabetically will be displayed first, and like if the customer's name starts from A among these three, then that customer's name will be displayed on the top, then the B1, then the C1. Okay, so this is how the ordering takes place, and order by the several column examples. You can also do one thing: you can specify which column you want to display in the ascending order and which column you want to display in the descending order. The following SQL statements selects all the customers from the customers table sorted ascend. It will select all the records, and it will put the countries in the ascending order and descending order in the this customer's name. So first what it will do is it will filter out the records based upon the country in the ascending order, and when any records are having the same country name, like these are the first three records having the same country name, inside of this custom or whoever's customer name is there, it will filter out the records in the descending name by the customer. Okay, so over here, as can be seen, the R starts first, then the O, then the C. Over here, C used to start first, then the O, and then R. Okay, so by this is because by default all the records are filtered out in the ascending order. But if you want to change that order, then we can make use the ASC and the DESC for ascending and the descending order specification. So this was all about the order by keyword and how we can make use of the order by in the SQL statements. Okay, so thanks for watching.